Hello dear students, in this session let us discuss the concept of linear system of homogeneous and non-homogeneous equation. We are specifically discussing this topic under matrix method. Okay, so we have already know matrix method means we will be having positions, right? We will write that position as A11, A12, A13. If it is a 3 cross 3 matrix, this is how it will be, where your A11, A12, A13, all this will be the coefficients, right? So first, since we are discussing this topic under ordinary differential equation, let us define a differential equation which is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so let us consider a system of n linear differential equation of first order. That means since it is a first order, I will write it as x1 prime, okay, will be equal to, we are dealing with matrix method, so p11 of t into x1 plus p12 of t into x2 plus so on up to p1n of t into xn. If I consider non-homogeneous equation, then I will write f1 of t along with this equation. So if f1 of t is equal to 0, obviously my differential equation reduces to homogeneous, right? So since I am writing a non-homogeneous differential equation, here I have just added f1 of t. Similarly, x2 dash will be equal to p21 of t into x2 plus p22 of t into x2. Sorry, this is x1. So on up to p2n of t into xn plus f2 of t. The process continues. Since we are considering n linear differential equation, xn dash is equal to pn1 of t into x1 plus pn2 of t into x2 plus so on up to pnn of t into xn plus fn of t. Okay, so if I want to write the complete nth linear differential equation in a general format, I can write this as x dash is equal to p of t into x plus f of t, where I have to define what is x and what is f of t as well as p of t, right? Where x is equal to x1, x2, so on up to xn whole transpose. Transpose means your row will become column, right? So similarly, f of t will be f1 of t, f2 of t, so on up to fn of t whole transpose, and your p of t will be equal to p11 of t, p12 of t, so on up to p1n of t, p21 of t, p22 of t, so on up to p2n of t. Up to nth linear means pn1 of t, pn2 of t, so on up to pnn of t. So this is nothing but coefficient matrix. So what I have done, I have just considered nth linear differential equation of first order, and since we are in matrix form, I have just write the equation in a matrix form itself. The reduced form of this nth linear differential equation is this. I will call this equation as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Here what is x? X is nothing but x1, x2, so on up to xn whole transpose. F of t is nothing but f1 of t, f2 of t, so on up to fn of t whole transpose, and p of t is nothing but my matrix, rectangular matrix, right? P11 of t, P12 of t, so on up to P1n of t. So similarly I have written for nth linear system. So here if f of t is equal to 0, then the linear system becomes homogeneous. If f of t is not equal to 0, then the linear system is linear system will become non-homogeneous. Okay. Now using that concept, let us solve some problems. Okay. So the first problem is we have to write the first order system in matrix method. That means they have given us a linear system of equation. We should write that equation in a matrix method or matrix form. Later there will be a column vector. Okay. So we have to show that that column vectors forms a solution to the given first order system. The given system is x1 prime is equal to 1x1 plus 3x2, x2 prime is equal to 5x1 plus 3x2. So how can I write this in a matrix form? This is nothing but x1 prime is nothing but dx by dt, right? So dx by dt is nothing but 1, 3, 5, 3. So this is nothing but my matrix method now. So since we will write in this form, right, P of t into x. So I will write x along with this matrix. This is nothing but P into x, where P is your coefficient of x. So now further what we have to do, we have to verify that the column vectors, they have given column vectors as x1 is equal to e power minus 2t minus e power minus 2t, and x2 is equal to 3 e power 60, 5 e power 60. We have to verify that this column vectors forms a solution to this system. Okay, that means this is px. I have to find out px1, right? So p is 1353, x1 is e power minus 2t minus e power minus 2t. Multiply these two, you will get px1, that is nothing but e power minus 2t minus 3 into e power minus 2t, 5 e power minus 2t plus 3 into e power minus 2t. Sorry, this is minus. So this is equal to minus 2 e power minus 2t, 2 e power minus 2t. So this is your x1 prime, right? So you can compare this with this. If you differentiate this, you will get the same thing. If you differentiate e power minus 2t, this is nothing but minus 2 e power minus 2t. If you differentiate minus e power minus 2t, you will get plus 2 into e power minus 2t. So my x1 is satisfying the column vectors solution to the system, right? So let's check for px2 now. 1, 3, 5, 3. x2 is 3 e power 60 into 5 e power 60. Multiply these two, you will get 3 e power 60 plus 15 e power 60, 15 e power 60 plus 15 e power 60. This is nothing but 18 e power 60 and this is 30 e power 60. So this is my x2 prime. Let's check with this. x2 is 3 into e power 60, 5 into e power 60. If I differentiate this, I will get 18 e power 60. So here we know we have 18 e power 60, right? Similarly 5 e power 60, if I differentiate this, I will get 30 e power 60. 30 e power 60. So this means that our column vectors forms a solution to this linear system. Okay. The next problem is we have to write the solution of first order system. x1 prime is equal to 1x1 plus 3x2, x2 prime is equal to 5x1 plus 3x2 in the linear combination form. Linear combination means you can write x1 as c1 into solution plus c2 into solution. This is nothing but your linear combination, right? So given x1 is equal to 3 into e power 2t, 2 into e power 2t, and x2 is equal to e power minus 5t, 3 into e power minus 5t. Using this, I have to write the solution in a linear combination form. So in general, I can write linear combination as x of t is equal to c1 x1 plus c2 x2. We know what is x1 and what is x2. So this will be equal to c1 into 3 e power 2t, 2 e power 2t plus c2 into e power minus 5t, 3 into e power minus 5t. So now I can write this in a equation form, that is x1 of t is equal to 3c1 e power 2t plus c2 e power minus 5t. x2 of t will be equal to 2c1 e power 2t plus 3c2 e power minus 5t. This is nothing but writing the solution of first order system in a linear combination method. The next concept under linear system of homogeneous and non-homogeneous method is we have to find the solution of this system. Okay, that means we have to find out the eigenvalue. Using this, we have to find out eigenvector. Then finally we should write in a general form, that is nothing but your general solution. Okay, so we know we will get three types of eigenvalues. If you find out the eigenvalues using determinant a minus lambda I is equal to 0, we will come across three types of eigenvalues. One is real and distinct. The next one is real and equal. And the last one is imaginary, right? So we have three different methods to solve these types of problems. Let us discuss one by one. Okay, first we will solve this differential equation. We will solve this system of linear equation, and we will check which type of roots we will get. Okay. So now first what I will do, let me write the given linear system in a matrix method. So dx by dt is equal to 4, 2, 3 minus 1 into x. In order to find the eigenvalue for this matrix, I should find out the characteristic polynomial, right? Characteristic polynomial of coefficient matrix is nothing but determinant a minus lambda I is equal to 0. That means 4 minus lambda 2, 3 minus 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. So I can write this as 4 minus lambda into minus 1 minus lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. If you solve this, you will get lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 10 is equal to 0. If you find the roots for this equation, you will get lambda is equal to minus 2 comma 5. That is lambda 1 is minus 2, lambda 2 is 5. Now my next step is, first I will use this eigenvalue in order to find the eigenvector. Then I will move to this, again I will find the eigenvector. Okay. So now to find, we can observe here my roots are real and distinct. Right. Now let's find eigenvectors. So eigenvectors will be in the form of a minus lambda I into v is equal to 0, where your v is eigenvectors. Okay. So now I will write this as 4 minus lambda 2 3 minus 1 minus lambda. V is nothing but I will represent V as in column vector form. So V1, V2, or you can write K1, K2. This is equal to 0. Right? So since we are concentrating on lambda 1 is equal to minus 2, substitute lambda is equal to minus 2 here. So your matrix will become 6, 2, 3, 1 into K1, K2. This is equal to 0. Now I can write this in an equation form. That is nothing but 6K1 plus 2K2 is equal to 0. 3K1 plus K2 is equal to 0. Now observe these two equations. If you multiply any value to this equation to find out the unknown, what we used to do, we will solve this equation in a simultaneous form, right? To make this equation, I have to multiply this equation with 2. If I do like that, if I subtract these two equations, then I will get 0 on both the sides. I cannot find the unknown values. That means these equations are singular. So yaudadru values na if you multiply and if you cancel one of the part, nimge innond unknown na find out madak adre, you can do that, or else we will call such equation as a singular. Observe carefully here, and e equation ge 2 na multiply madadre what will happen? 6K1 plus 2K2 is equal to 0. Again I will get 6K1 plus 2K2 is equal to 0. Equation na subtract madadre idu cancel agutte, idu cancel agutte. I will get 0 is equal to 0, right? So that means the system is singular, or you can say that it has infinitely many solutions. Depending on the value of k, your k2 changes, right? So we are getting infinitely many solutions. Yaudu one value namge sikta illa. We are getting infinitely many solutions. If this is the case, what we will do is we will assume one value either to k1 or k2. It is left to you. You can assume any value to any of the unknowns. So yen value choose martiro, corresponding to that another value changes. To make the solution simple, what I will do is I will assume k1 is equal to 1. So k1 is equal to 1 ಆದರೆ 6k1 plus 2k2 is equal to 0. 6 plus 2k2 is equal to 0. This is nothing but 6 is equal to minus 2k2. We will get k2 is equal to minus 3. So now the eigenvector v1 is nothing but 1 and minus 3. Okay na? So x1 will be equal to 1 minus 3. This is corresponding to the eigenvalue minus 2. So I can write that as e power minus 2t. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೀತಿರೋದು ಅಂದರೆ we have already know if you get different eigenvalues equation will be in that form only, right? Complementary functions ಬರೆಯೋದು ಹಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So y is equal to c1 e power m1t plus c2 e power m2t. c1 is nothing but my eigenvector now, and e power this m1 is nothing but my eigenvalue. Eigenvalue is minus 2. So eigenvector into eigenvalue. Similarly, for eigenvalue lambda 2 is equal to 5. So matrix will reduce to minus 1, 2, 3, minus 6 into k1, k2 is equal to 0, 0. This is minus k1 plus 2k2, 3k1 minus 6k2 is equal to 0. Again, if you observe these two equations, this is a singular. The system is singular. So again I will choose a value. So let's see, let us choose value for k2 now. k2 is equal to 1. This implies k1 is equal to 2. If you substitute k2 is equal to 1 here, this equation reduces to minus k1 is equal to minus k2. This is nothing but k1 is equal to 2. So now this is my eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda 2 is equal to 5. I can write this as x2 is equal to, okay, first let me write the eigenvector. v2 is equal to 1, 2, oh this is ulta, right? 2, 1. So x2 is nothing but 2, 1 into e power 5t. So now I know what is x1 and x2. The general solution will be x of t is equal to c1 1 minus 3 into e power minus 2t plus c2 into 2 1 e power 5t. This is my general solution. Okay, this is all about the eigenvalues and eigenvectors, finding the general solution using eigenvalues and eigenvector when your eigenvalues are real and distinct. Okay, next we will move to another problem where your eigenvalues are repeated, or you can say eigenvalues are real and equal.